Dogs, man's best friend, the furry, friendly pals that we all want. And I got a request to make this video for my good scout buddy, Jeremy. I wasn't telling you his name. I had something on my screen. So, I have a dog named Gizmo. He was a little chihuahua, and he's in one of my early videos. Notice I said had. And so I'm going to use a stuffed animal if I find it. Nope. I'm trying to make this quick, and it's there. So I'll just use this polar bear because he looks like a dog, right? Say hello to Polar. Polar the polar bear. But for today, she's a dog. Dogs. I love dogs. Don't know what to think of about this video. It's just going to be titled dogs. So dogs. I'll make a video about this guy. The polar bear dog. He's a polar bear type dog. So let's make a video. Hello YouTube. And I'm Tona Bro. Right, right. Roar! Roar the polar bear. Polar. Stop talking like that. Talk normally. Oh, but that's fun. Don't care. Okay. Today I'm gonna be like saying what it's like to be a dog. It is really fun. I get to sit around, shake my doggy tail, and I get to snuggle at night. And I get to do whatever I want, pee wherever I want, outside, and poop wherever I want, I'm also outside. And, well, that's it. I don't normally lay down all day when Antonio's off school. And then when he gets home from school, he's normally on his phone next to me snuggling. So that's good. I hope you like this video. It's not that long. Okay, goodbye. Antonio, how do I turn this off? Easy, I'll show you with my finger. Polar, are you okay? I'm fine. Polar ice breath powers. It's not working. Okay, I got it. Polar, stay down. Yeah, I got you. Okay, guys, that was me. That's Polar. Hey, friends. How are you doing? And that's the video. Bye-bye.